Hey guys, today I'll be explaining how to adjust the height and preload of the rear DC5 EP3 and Miata Type 1 and Type 2 coilover kits. All that is needed would be the small and large spanner wrenches as well as measuring tape, which would be included in every coilover kit. First step would be to determine how much lower or higher you would like to adjust your vehicle. From there you would take your baseline measurements. Now you loosen both lower mount locking collar and spring perch collars. Once the spring has no tension, you will then be able to rotate the lower mount freely to your desired height. While holding the shock, you will thread the lower mount in if you'd like to go lower, or thread the lower mount out to go higher. When the adjustments are made, you will now tighten up the lower mount locking collar. Now adjust the spring perches to set your preload. This spring measures 180 millimeters and I'll be compressing it to 5 millimeters to 175. Once measurements have been set, lock up locking collars. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email, call, or comment below.